Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a grid design in Canva. First up, open your Canva and then here go to Elements, go to the search box and type here the background that you want to put in. For example, buildings, going here on Photos and select this photo right over here. Now once I selected the photo, we're going to drag and drop right over here. And then we can just resize the image. As you can see, you can just drag the corner. And then what we can do now is go back to elements. And then here we're going to type on grid. Press enter. And as you can see under graphics, you will find a bunch of results about grid design. So we're going to find a grid design over here like this. And then we're going to change the color into white. And then make it like this, like a diamond shape. We can put it right here, the right side, and we can just resize again. There you go. Next, we're going back to elements. What we can do now is we need to hide all the unnecessary images or background. We're going to use this square shape and you just basically customize it, change the size to hide or basically remove that unnecessary images like this. Copy and paste to create another one for the other side. So make sure that you have just remove the background and you can just tilt it to make like this, and there you have it. So that's how we basically create grid design. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.